Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to take you to a website where you are going to find lots of amazing offers which you can use to make money online. Now don't worry, you don't need to sell anything. From offers I mean you'll find various ways to get money into your bank account. For example, if someone visits your page and then enters his email, you'll be paid $2. If someone goes to your website and enter their zip code, you will make $5. So this is what I'm talking about. The users don't have to pay anything, and this is the best way to make money. Now you might be thinking that $2 and $5 is such a small thing, but just imagine people don't have to do anything. They just need to come to your page. So if you're sending 100 people to your website and out of them 50 are entering their zip codes or 50 are entering their email addresses, just imagine the amount of money you'll be making, because they don't need to spend anything. So that's why the volume is going to be really huge and the overall revenue is going to be amazing. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So now the website I'm talking about is called as OfferVault.com. So you can go to OfferVault.com and you can see that they have this list here where there are lots of offers available. Now these kind of offers which allows you to make money when someone takes an action on your website is called as CPA. That stands for cost per action. This is not CPS, which is cost per sale, or affiliate marketing where others have to purchase a product and then you'll be getting a commission. In CPAs, people don't have to purchase anything. They just have to take an action and you get money for it. So that's how easy it is. Now take a look at all of these offers here. You see lots and lots of offers are available. Now if I show you, they have offers from many websites in the world. You see the list is so long that you can just keep on scrolling it and yet it will not end. So you can see that the list is so long. Now you can see that they have offers from various categories like adult, app, beauty, betting, casino, CBD, CPA, credit, dating, debt, softwares, e-commerce, education, emails, fashion, financial, forex, health, gaming, lead generation, legal, mobile, paper call, recovery, shopping, software, sports. You see there are so many different categories from which you can choose from. Now the best part is it is available from all the countries in the world. You see they have every country in the world listed with all the offers present in those countries. So that's really cool and that's really amazing, because if you have something like that where you can be from anywhere in this world and you can have an audience from anywhere in this world and you can find the offers which are relevant to them and start promoting them, you can make a lot of money online. Now to sign up on this website, you just need to click on this register button and then fill in this simple form. Here you can select your country. As I said, they have all the countries of the world available, so you just need to select your country and then click on submit now and your sign up will be completed. So now let's take a look at few offers. So I would like to select CPA here. So I'll go to this and I'll search for CPA. Now it will show me the offers which are related to CPA. Now I can go to any one of these offers and see what kind of offers are there. So I'll click on this one and you see on this website they are paying you for registration. So if someone goes to this website, you can see their landing page. So you can just click on this button and see their landing page. Now if someone goes to this and they click on this continue button and they sign up, you will be getting $2 for just registration. This way there are many CPA offers available. Now first let me show you a live example of people doing CPA. So here I'll search for Walmart. Now when I search for Walmart, I see this CPA offer. It has a payout of $2.50 and they just need to enter their zip code to get money. You can click on preview sales page and you can see that the sales page looks like this. The people just need to click on are you shopping at Walmart, they'll click on yes. It will ask you to enter your zip code and then you'll be making $2.50. So whenever someone do that, you are making $2.50. Now to see a real example of this, let's go to Pinterest.com. Pinterest.com is a website where people from all around the world come and share their images. You see you'll find images for all types and you have the option to search and see different kind of images from different people. All the images have the ability to be linked to an external source. For example, someone has added this image and have linked to a wallpaper website here. So in the same way, you can also add images to Pinterest and link them. Now why we have came here is because we want to search for the real example of Walmart. So I'll go to the search button and I'll search for Walmart gift card, and when I do that, you'll see that there are lots and lots of images which will be coming here. $1,000 gift card, $250 gift card. You see there are lots and lots of images here. So you can go to these images to see that why have they added it, what they have linked. So now as you can see that when I search for Walmart gift card, there are lots of gift cards available here, and people have actually linked to these kind of pages from where they can get up to $2 to $5 per sign up. So this is how easy it is to make money using Pinterest and using the power of OfferVault. Now this is not just a limited thing option with Walmart. This is just an example I was talking to you about, that people have actually done it using this method. If you also want to create any post on Pinterest, then after you sign up to Pinterest, you just need to click on create and then click on create pin. Now here you have to upload your image, here you have to add a title, a description, and here you have to enter your URL. Now your unique URL you will be getting when you click on this run offer button. Now when you click on this run offer button, you will be taken to the website from where you need to sign up. Now after you sign up, you will be given a unique URL which you have to add here, and here you have to add a Walmart image. Now you can take any one of these existing Walmart images from Pinterest which I just showed you earlier, or you can create a new one using any free image editing softwares. You can in fact find many good images of Walmart on Google as well, along with the gift card images. So this was it. This is how you can make use of OfferVault for CPA offers and make money. Now Pinterest is just one of the sources. Some other popular sources are Facebook groups, Instagram, Twitter. You can also get lots and lots of traffic to your CPA offers from here as well. Now whenever you are promoting a CPA offer, make sure the quality of the traffic should be good. So that's why try to target the people who are real audience and not just you yourself go and take all the actions again and again. You cannot do that. You just need to find genuine people and send them these links. You can also send them these links directly using your own smartphone to your contact list, to your friends, to your family members, and when they fill in this information, you'll be making money. Just imagine like $2.5 for every free sign up. So if 10 of your friends do that, you'll be making $25. If 100 people in your contact list, like if you send it to 100 people in your contact list and 50 of them do that, you get over $125. So the amount of money you're going to make is insane. You just need to be consistent and promote it in a super efficient manner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.